Hello, you're looking at a Miller stick welder brought to you by Lanco. This is a Gold Star 302 stick welder. It's currently wired at 480 volt. This can be wired at either 230, 460, or 575 volt. Overall dimensions are 48 inches long, 28 inches wide, 45 inches high. Weight is 517 pounds. The output is 32 volts. And the max amp output is 300 amps. This comes with 50 foot, a 460 volt power cable, 24 feet of ground cable, and 100 feet of welding cable. Once again, this is a Miller stick welder. This is the Gold Star 302 model. If you're interested in this unit or any metal finishing or waste treatment equipment, please contact Lanco at 616-887-8300 or online at www.lanco-corp.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.